Surat al-Inshiqaq, chapter of the Cleaving. In the name of Allah, the Merciful, the Compassionate, when the heaven shall be cleft, and shall give ear to its Lord, and become amenable, when the earth shall be stretched out, and shall cast up what is in it, and become empty, and shall give ear to its Lord, and become amenable. O man, lo then, thou art toiling heavy to thy Lord, and art about to meet him. Then as for him who is given his book in his right hand, he we reckoned with easily, and will turn back to his family well pleased. But as for him who is given his book behind his back, he will call for destruction and roast in a blaze. Lo, he used to be among his family well pleased, and thought that he would not be set back. Yea, but his Lord was of him observant. I swear not by the evening glow, by the night, and what it gathers by the moon, when it is at the full. Verily, ye ride layer upon layer. What is wrong with them that they do not believe? And when the Qur'an is recited to them, do not make obeisance. Nay, those who have disbelieved count it false. But Allah knoweth what they cherish. So give them good tidings of a punishment painful, except those who have believed and wrought the works of righteousness. For them is reward rightfully theirs. And so, you know, the right hand, the left hand, behind. Not the same thing as the right hand path and the left hand path and the middle path and the backwards path. You know, it's not the same analogy, but the backwards path, I guess it is. And oh, I had forgot. At the end of 21. Well, how do you say that? Qoria, Qur'ana. Yeah, but anyways, after that verse, you prostrate facing Mecca. And let's beware this gospel prosperity stuff, because having a good time or having wealth or something isn't proof that you're in the right.